Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you all to your own channel and I welcome you our tutorial series Zero to Hero, the episode number 41. Today we are going to discuss one very important technical indicator which is probably one of the easiest technical indicator to make an interpretation and also to use. However, you should have the knowledge about the market phases and prevailing trend in the market. So you can effectively use this particular indicator. We will know all about this indicator today and we will go to the price chart and I will explain you as to how this indicator can be used. So today's indicator is parabolic stop and reversal system in trading, which is also in short is called parabolic SAR. So friends, if you are watching this video, have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe, enable the notification bell so that you are well notified on time for upcoming uploads. And friends, if you are interested to know all about the membership program, this channel is running in collaboration with YouTube. You can click on to the link provided in the description box of this video below and know all about the perks and benefits that are being offered against different type of membership program. So friends, let's move ahead and start our tutorial on parabolic SAR. So friends, first let us understand what is parabolic SAR is all about. It is a technical indicator which is used in technical analysis, and of course it is an indicator, so it is used as a supporting tool. After having performed the technical analysis based on price action analysis, this indicator can be useful to enhance the accuracy in technical analysis. And friend, this is an indicator which indicates the direction of the price, the trend of the market. The price is likely to move in a particular direction. And friends, this is an indicator which indicates also the change in the direction of the market. Means the very nomenclature of this indicator indicates stop and reverse. What does it mean? If a market is moving in a particular direction, this indicator will confirm it, and the moment market changes the direction, it tells you now you should stop because market is likely to reverse, and hence the name is parabolic SAR, stop and reversal. So friends, very important to understand, this system is known as the stop and reversal system, which can easily be used through a very simple interpretation in trending market. However, if a market is sideways, this indicator is not at all useful and should never be used and trusted upon, because it will give many wrong signals during the sideways or range bound market. So friends, are you aware who has developed this particular indicator? I will hint you. The person who has developed the RSI, Relative Strength Index, has developed this indicator. Do you remember? If not, I'll share with you. The parabolic SAR was developed by J.W. Wilder Jr., who developed Relative Strength Index, that is RSI. In our RSI tutorial, I had shared the name of the developer of this particular indicator. So the contribution of J.W. Wilder in technical analysis is immense. He has authored many books on technical analysis based on his own development of various kinds of indicators and oscillators in the market. Now friends, let's understand as to how parabolic SAR is constructed on the price chart. The moment we understand the concept behind its construction or its formation, we are likely to understand it better. So, I am not going to discuss the complexities of the formula, but I would like to tell you that it uses in a simple fashion the extreme price. What do you mean by extreme price? If the market is trending up, the recent extreme price, the price which is the highest price in the prior price, would be considered for its construction. And the moment that extreme price changes, as the price moves up beyond that extreme price, the another recent price would be extreme price, would be the newly created extreme price. To put it very simply, it uses the most recent extreme price. And then it uses an acceleration factor. Because if the price is moving up, then there should be some kind of acceleration factor which has to be used so that parabolic SAR can be subsequently constructed or placed on the price chart. And that acceleration factor, the default value is 0.02. Now, each time the new extreme value is generated, the parabolic SAR shifts by in a multiple of 0.02. And this is how in a trending market it can be used as a stop loss and trailing stop loss. Because the moment the price will go up, this is likely to move up. So these are the two factors that are used to arrive the value of parabolic SAR. Now if the market is in a markdown phase, which means it is a downtrending mode, what it does? It checks the extreme lower price. The extreme lower price would be considered, and the application of acceleration factor is a common method, that is 0.02 is the default value. In majority of the charting tool, you use the default factor is 0.02 as given by the original developer J.W. Wilder Jr. So let us understand, if the market is trending down, what will happen? The parabolic SAR, through application of acceleration factor, if the price moves down, if the downside momentum increases, the parabolic SAR will also shift in the same speed. So let us move ahead to understand further. So friends, at the start itself I said that is probably this is one of the easiest and simplest indicator I have come across, which I am sharing with you, and hence the interpretation, the broader interpretation is very, very simple to make. The person who doesn't know even the technical analysis can make the interpretation by seeing the chart. However, in order to attain the higher degree of accuracy, since it being a supporting tool and indicator, you must know the various aspects of technical analysis so that you can arrive the better confluences for high probability trades and for a better accuracy in technical analysis. So let me share with you the broader interpretation of parabolic SAR on the price chart. So friends, it is constructed on the body of the price chart itself. The indicator shows a series of dots. There will be several dots appearing on the price charts on the body of price chart itself. And those dots can either be above the candlestick or below the candlestick. Now let us understand as to how this simple interpretation is made when you are using the parabolic SAR. If the dots are appearing below the candlestick, it indicates the bullish view. It is that simple. And if the dot is appearing above the candlestick, price candle, it indicates the bearish view. So friends, is it that simple? And so by looking at the price chart itself, you can immediately say whether at this point of time the price is trending up, the momentum on upside is higher, or a momentum on the downside is higher. However, when we apply it through other studies, accuracy would be phenomenal. So friend, this indicator is very useful to fix the initial stop loss and trailing stop loss, so that you can design a strategy to ride the trend. Now this is especially useful to those people who only understands to identify the market phases and prevailing trend of the market, but are not in a position to understand the finer detail of the price action on the price chart. So this indicator can be handy for such people. What they need to be very disciplined. In a trending market, it works very well if they are disciplined to follow this indicator. In a trending market, their accuracy could be reasonably good. However, for an extremely good accuracy in technical analysis, you need to develop the in-depth knowledge about the technical analysis that we have covered and covering in various tutorials under our Zero to Hero playlist. You all are aware that Zero to Hero is available on this channel absolutely free of cost and is available in 2 languages, Hindi and English, and there are separate playlists for Hindi and separate playlists for English version. So let us understand how it can help us and why it helps us to fix the initial stop loss and trailing stop loss. The moment you know the change in the direction of the market, because as I have shared with you, in an uptrending market, the dots will appear below the candlestick. So the moment market changes its direction, the dot will appear in the opposite direction, that is above the price candle. And in that case, if you are riding a trend, you can exit the moment first dot appears on the opposite side. So let us understand as to how it helps. As the price rises, the dots will also rise. So it helps in fixing the trailing stop loss. Your concept will be further clear when we go to the price chart in today's session and discuss on the price chart as to how these dots move and as to what condition comes in the market when the dots start appearing the opposite direction. That is, if it is appearing below the price candle, it starts appearing above the price candle. And friends, initially when the trend reversal is there, the first dot appears below the price candle, which means up till now, whether it's a short-term basis or intermediate basis or a long-term basis, there was a downtrend prevailing. And the first dot is an indication of probable commencement of resumption in the trend, because we are talking about markup phase, because it works only in the trending market. So it will work in a markup phase, it will work in a markdown phase. In sideways market or a range bound market, it gives a very false signal, should not be relied upon. So the dot will first move slowly and then it gains momentum, speed as the trend develops. So it gains momentum means it starts rising faster. So your stop loss becomes closer and closer, the trailing stops become closer and closer, which helps you not only to ride the trend but also helps you to preserve the profit which you have already made. So friends, what are the limitations of this particular indicator, that is parabolic SAR, stop and reversal? The limitation is it is just like any other indicator. and hence it is to be treated only as supporting tool. It cannot be used on a standalone basis to formulate the trading strategy. You have to finally combine with other studies, technical studies, for a desired high level of accuracy in technical analysis, and your success rate will only improve in trading as a swing trader or a positional trader only when you apply this as a supporting tool and find at least 3+ confluences, and parabolic SAR can be one of the confluences towards high probability trade. And friends, it is useful only in trending market. You should never forget and bear this as a permanent traces in your mind that it should be only and only used in the trending market. When the trend is in markup phase and the trend is in markdown phase, so only then parabolic SAR should be relied upon and should be used in conjunction with other studies of technical analysis. So up till now you must have understood that since it is using the extreme price, the most recent extreme price, either in the markup phase or the markdown phase, it is useful indicator, and since the factor is being used, which is an acceleration factor, with the speed at which the price is moving, the accelerated factor in the multiple of 0.02, it can be useful to fix the stops and trailing stops. So now let us move to the price chart, where I will share with you the use of this indicator in conjunction with other studies, very simple studies, when the market is in a markup phase, and we will take up an example when the market is in a markdown phase. Because in a markup phase, you will get several swing trading opportunity for a long trade. While in markdown phase, you will get a swing trading opportunity or short side and short selling opportunity when the market is trending down. So let us move ahead to learn on the price chart as to how this can be used. So friends, I am sharing with you a price chart. This is the price chart of Biocon on NSE India. Doesn't matter which price chart, I have chosen this price chart to explain you the application of parabolic SAR. It is that simple. So friends, these are the dots. Various dots are under formation. You can see sometimes the dots are being formed below the candle and sometimes are being formed above the candle. So first let us go to the parabolic SAR, and I am going to the setting of parabolic SAR. You can see the inputs given is very simple. It is calculating the extreme price and the increment. The start increment is 0.02, which is an acceleration factor, and then it in multiple of 0.02, it gets applied the moment new extreme price is created. Now this is the incremental factor, and the maximum value it arrives at is a 0.2. So its a value beyond 0.2 is not possible. So what happens when the price gets overextended? There will be correction. So it is very useful for a swing trader who are looking for a short-term gain in the market, and they are capable of identifying the existing market phase and the prevailing market trend, and able to combine their studies with other technical indicators or technical studies for a high degree of accuracy. So for example, here you can see the market was in an uptrending mode. Now here you see the price has taken a correction. There was a retracement after the formation of this impulsive wave. There was a correction, and the moment correction started, you can see at this particular area all the dots were below the price candles, and suddenly the price appears here. So those who entered here can book a profit the moment first dot appears on the top. This is a chart in the daily time frame. If I am correct, yes, it is a daily time frame. Now, what happens? The moment price has corrected, since the price is in markup phase, it is likely to make higher highs and higher lows kind of formation. So after this correction was over, you can see here what I am trying to apply the knowledge of candlestick pattern and taking the help of moving averages. So price has given a gap down opening and formed a inverted hammer, which is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. And it has taken a support at EMA 55, and hence it becomes a very, very significant, important entry point. Now you see the price, the moment price goes up and crosses above EMA 21, the first dot appears below. If you have a knowledge of other technical studies and you are good at technical analysis, you would have made the entry at around 336. However, since you are not able to understand other aspects of it, only able to identify the market phase and prevailing trend, you will enter at a price of 349, 350 level. The moment the first dot appears here, so it is a bounce back from a critical moving average EMA 55. The price has gone past EMA 21, so you make an entry at 350. Now what will be your stop loss? Your initial stop loss is the value of dot. You can check the value of dot here, SAR, just below the dot, you can put your stop loss. What will be the target? There will not be any target. You will ride the trend unless a dot gets formed above the price candle. So here you see you have risen the trend and the first dot was formed here at this particular time and it was formed on the candle. So you would have appeared at around 379 or 80, which means you entered at around 350, you are exiting at 729, and again you are rating. Since you know this is in markup phase, so you are patiently waiting for that another opportunity to come by. Price has made a correction and immediately only two dots was formed above the candle. So the bearish move did not last much, and immediately you see there was a candlestick. This candle was formed, this bullish candle, which was a one white soldier candle near the EMA 21, and immediately the dot again appeared below the price candle. So you can once again make an entry at around 398, and your stop loss would be something around 375. Now you are rising the trend. In this case, what has happened? The dot appeared here and you have to come out at a early. The first dot appeared. You incurred a loss in this particular trade. Got it? But the loss was so minimal, you came out even before the stop loss was triggered. Similarly, let us go to the downtrending market. In the same chart, we are going to the era when this particular stock was trending down. You can see the price was making lower highs and lower lows kind of formation. Here was a great impulsive wave formed on the downside because the trend is downward, and here was a pullback. Can you see? Here the all dots were forming above the candle and suddenly this dot formed here. So for example, we will wait till this pullback is over. The pullback seems to be over here as the formation of a bearish candlestick. On a bearish candlestick, a price rejection from EMA 21. And an experienced trader will make a short selling opportunity at 269.5. While those who are depending upon parabolic SAR will wait, because after this candle, they could see the formation of parabolic SAR, the dot formation above the price here. So they will make an entry which is the below the low of this newly formed candle, and this value would be 261. So when you understand the other studies, you could have shorted at the price 270, and now here you are shorting at 260. So there will be a difference. However, once you shorted, you see the dot was coming down as the price was moving up, and you see the this candle triggered the stop loss. Once again, you waited for the move, and you can see that this was a pullback, price rejection here from the critical moving average EMA 55, and then it fallen, and you could have followed till the dots are being formed, the parabolic SI are being formed above the price line. You can write the trend and come out of it. However, friends, when you study with other technical studies, I'll show you how you can combine with. I am enlarging this little portion. This was the uptrending move, and here there was a distribution phase which was observed. And in this area, if I draw a trend line, you can use the trend line as a tool. And what has happened, you can see this was the trend line I am using. This is the trend line which indicates the formation of left shoulder, right shoulder and head. So as per this, the target comes how much? I am just drawing, measuring it, and it is coming. The point of breakout was this. So target is coming here. Let me draw the horizontal line. I have drawn the horizontal line. Let us see whether the target has achieved or not. So the target got achieved here. So you get a better price if you combine other studies with parabolic SAR. Here you shorted and you have fixed the stop loss here somewhere, but here again there was a pullback. It got stop loss got triggered. Here it lasted for a long time. Here you would have entered on a rejection of the price from the SMA 233. So you would have shorted at 304, and you could have booked the profit at 265. So pretty big profit you can book. But I have explained you as to how parabolic SAR can be combined with other technical studies to enhance the accuracy on technical analysis, which helps you to write the trend or make an entry in the market as a swing trader. So friends, if you are a positional trader, you can use parabolic SAR in weekly or monthly time frame to write the trend, because there will be less market noises and you can follow the same method. Of course, you should have the clarity about the market phases and prevailing trend in the market, and you should try to make an entry at the value area near the support if you are taking a long trade, and near the critical resistance when you are short selling the market. I hope friends this might have added some values to you, and if you have liked this presentation, give thumbs up to this video. The moment you like the video, it motivates me and it becomes a very, very important source of energy. And friends, share this video among your friend circle, social media and WhatsApp group so that other people also get benefit out of these tutorials on the channel, and in the process they subscribe the channel to become the part of your and my family. Friends, subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you remain notified and updated all the time for upcoming uploads. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you soon.